Hi everyone, it's Jason with Jason's Tractor Channel. We're getting ready for a historic storm, as they call it, hitting us here in Wyoming and in Colorado. Got the fleet ready. As you see, we got the tractor. We have the X Factor with a bucket teeth. If I need those, that'll slice through just about everything. We're calling for 36 inches of heavy wet snow here. As you see, this is just the beginning. We had really nice weather here. It was 65, and last weekend we did some work, and now all of a sudden this storm came in from California and it's affected us. So we got the tractor, we got the snow blower, the Toro, and we got the Polaris 570 with the plow. So we're ready for the big storm, and we'll be taking some shots and footage of what the adventure looks like with the snow we get. It's supposed to get bad really tonight and tomorrow. It's supposed to be the bad day, so if it's really bad, we'll just go ahead and clean up either tomorrow or on Monday. So we'll check in with you soon.